Hi, it's your old buddy Brad here, and today I am going to be talking about using hard shadows in JWildfire. And this time I have some props, along with a basketball. So what a hard shadow is where a light and an object, or a shadow from a light, is directing onto a plane, which creates a shadow. So for example, um, I have a basketball here, and I have a flashlight. So if I take the flashlight, first no ball, kind of a bright. Now if I move the ball in, that, as you can see on the plate, is what is considered a hard shadow. Now it's a little bit blurry because I do have some uh, other ambient light coming in, so it's distracting, but hopefully this, you get the point. As I move it around, it's still, as I move the flashlight around, you can see the shadow changes with the position of the light. But that's another tutorial. So let me move this. And I'm going to shrink myself down. So the way we can also do that here is I have an object mesh on layer 1. And then on layer 2, I have just a regular plain WF. So if I go back to plane 1, as you notice, you see light on it, but there is nothing showing up down here on the floor or the plane. So if we click on the 3D rendering tab, click on the hard shadow tab, and click on fast, this is the fast shadow type. Now you can see we have a shadow. And if we just select the object, as we move it around, you see the shadows move. I'm going to change it to a square. Switch to YZ here. Move around. And as you see, as I'm moving the object, it's also creating the shadow of it. I move it up, down. Now I'm on this. Let me change the plane here. So if we go back to the sphere, I'm going to zoom in here some. I'm going to do a quick render. Now if you notice, if you can see, there are like little lines as they are going up and around the object here. Like here, 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 here. And that is what's called shadow acne. Since the object isn't totally smooth, it picks up little artifacts. But we can adjust it so that it smooths it out. So we can come down here to shadow map bias. And if we just up this a little, you see those little lines are gone now. And because you have to understand that the hard shadow is actually also working from the shadow of the object underneath also. So the light is coming from up here, and that's what's causing the shadow on the object. And of course we could smooth out the object by going subdiv level, changing that to 2. But still, if we reset, fast, do a quick render, we still have these the shadow acne showing up again. So that is one way of getting rid of the shadow acne. And then we also have another shadow type here for smooth. Now the fast is very, very hard shadow. The other one, smooth, is a little bit of a softer shadow, and it is more diffused, meaning that it isn't straight light and dark. It's a little smoother of a shadow. So if we do a quick render here, you see it's still shadows, but it's a lot smoother and less defined. Okay, so that is about it for using the hard shadow tab in JWildfire. Until next time, talk to you later. Bye.